Tom, put one on your head.
If you put one in your hand, they'll probably take it. But you're dangling so they can't get close. If you put one in your hand, they'll probably swoop in and take it.
Put on your head.
Alright, see who's got the most nuggets.
It's too big for those guys. Put it on your head.
Alright, should we answer?
Yeah. the kids are. Oh, it fell.
Ran all over it.
The kids are. Oh, they was coming for. Put one now. Put one now. The seagulls will do it. Hurry up. Hurry up. The seagulls will do it. Hurry up. He's got it right now. Hurry, put it on your head. Put it on your head. The kids are scaring away. Get the kids out of here. Hey. The kids are scaring away.
Go yell at the kids.
Hang on. Hey kids, stop. The kids are scaring away.
Oh, I love to see this.
Tell the kids stop doing it. Hey kids, stop scaring them, please. Where's the seagull?
You need some bait. You gotta throw some more bait out there.
Tommy, put your
Oh yeah, need some bait.
Don't jump it.
Yeah, honey, no chumming.
No jump.
Shut.
Go bust it on his face.
Here he comes. The kids are.
I want to see one. Just swoop on his head. Right at he's looking one above you, she said. There's one right above you looking down.
Right above.
Go it.
Come on. They're swarming.
I'm gonna catch him right by the leg. I'm gonna grab him by the leg and catch up there.
Is one above?
Oh, wait. Oh, I thought he was going to take it. Oh, man. I thought he was going to take it. He was coming
Go
in.
get some more flies.
I'm getting blocked.
There's a fight.
Watch out.
Look.
They know it's there too.
He's this one here. The big one's looking right up at his head. Look at him. He's
These
looking
are
right
only flies.
Oh,
Put it on my coat up there.
oh, it's so. Oh, yeah, I can't believe one of them won't take it. I mean, there's not. Look at that. I thought he was swooping in.
On his head.
They want it. They want it. They want that.
They see it. Come on. Come on.
They're getting close to it.
Oh, now for seagulls today. Whoa! He took
that.
and Did you get it? Yeah!
Where is it?